Hi guys and good morning. Welcome to Aao Baatein Kare, Pooja here. Well, let's do a general read for the day and let's see what is the message for us and what is this Leo season getting us. In which department of our lives are we going to shine? And 8-8 is also the what do you say, lion's portal. So that time all the energies are heightened. So do ask for something beautiful in life, something positive in life. Okay, and whichever department or whichever house is your Leo, that department or that area of your life is really going to be affected and very positively benefited if you have already done the done the work. Okay, so let's see. This is a general read, so it won't resonate with everyone, but there is no harm in checking a general read. You never know. Unless you check it, you don't know whether it's for you or not. Okay, so oh my god, prosperity and abundance, beautiful. Imagine and envision, and hibernation and regeneration. Affirmation. I was asked to call another one. Okay, see this. These two are very beautiful. In the other days also general read, there was something to relax and cleanse yourself. Prosperity and abundance. Prosperity and abundance only is the best way or the quickest way is to relax. After hard day's work, there also has to be a balance to relax yourself, to enjoy your life and take time. If you have overworked, I'm not suggesting you all should become lazy, but there is a difference being lazy and being overworked. So there is time, we need time to rest, relax, rejuvenate and regenerate our body, our mind. We all need to defocus and so that we can see things more clearly. Okay, and this is about vision board. You can go and check out my video. I have made a video, I think last week, on how to make a vision board. So do check it out, guys. So it is time. If you want your dreams, first of all you all should be very clear of what you want. What is your dream? Just see that there are so many things. There's a horse, there's a crown, there is a butterfly, love, fish, she is drawing sun, moon, money, so many things. So first and foremost you have to give a proper direction to your dreams and more clarity. The more you can envision and make a vision board, the more clarity you will get. And this is for particular people or a person. Affirmation for healing of the heart. Some of you all have gone through a bad time, you have lost a loved ones. I'm so sorry for that. So you all also need time to heal. Healing is very important before something new comes in life. If you are not healed, so something new which comes will not be accepted properly. Okay, so as we exercise, we strengthen our muscles, we strengthen our hands, legs, core, so that we can lead a healthier lifestyle. In the same way, our heart needs healing, our soul needs healing, our body also needs to repair, and even our minds. So it is very important that we take some time to meditate, relax, and something called nothingness. That is also very, very important. Just do nothing. What are you doing? Nothing. Okay, so let us see what else is the message for us. Justice, balance, beautiful. Nine of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Six of Wands, High Priestess, World, Four of Cups, Three of Cups, 7, 8. Okay. So first and foremost, as I had told you, this is the sign of, it's Libra, it's justice, it's also balance. there should be balance between your work and some time to relax. This is another card of balancing between two worlds. This can be your job and your home. Balancing is very, very important for a fulfilled life. So guys, if you all don't have a habit, you have to start balancing yourself in life. And many of you all are in this low vibe. 4 of Cups and 5 of Pentacles. This is disappointment. You all have the key of your life, your success in front of you. As you can see the key is just near the door, but she is so depressed or in such a low vibe. She just cannot see this key. That's why doing nothing, being relaxed or meditation is very important. This is another card. So if some of you all have to get out of this low vibe into something more positive, and as you can see, this is High Priestess. She knows what she wants in life, and she doesn't mind being vocal about it. But this is also can be a card of high wisdom, meditation. This is another card where she has closed her eyes, and this is another card. See this. So the best interpretation is wherever you are in meditation, wherever you are in silence, you get all the answers and you are clear of what you want to manifest in life. This is very important for you to manifest something beautiful in life. There should be clarity of what you want, and this also makes it very clear what we don't want in life. So instead of concentrating on what we don't want, the important thing is what we want. So this again, see, she is looking up, putting her hands up in the sky. So it is very, very important to just connect with yourself, and money, abundance is sure to follow, and all the abundance in the world. World card is complete. World card is everything in it. So the more positive we are, the more we take time to relax, rejuvenate, have fun, meet our friends, maybe have a WhatsApp call, maybe have a Zoom call with family if we are in lockdown and all. There are many things, and we are online. We can connect online, have a good chat with your friends and family. That is always very, very refreshing. And guys, you can also see a lot of behind the scenes of Aao Baatein Kare on my Instagram. So do check it out. Okay. And whenever you see this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can even join my WhatsApp group. There you get a daily morning tarot. Okay. All the links are in the description box. Now I'll pull out a few angel numbers also. So let's see. A year from now. So if there is a question in your mind which is which is on the top of your mind, this is maybe an answer for you guys. I'll pull out one more. There is something better. So if you have lost some things, maybe it's a job, maybe it's a relationship, there is something better out there. And soon as you get in high vibe, you are bound to meet that person. The situation will improve. Beautiful. So I think this message is for a particular group of people. See this. Okay. So have a great day, guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.